Hey guys, what's happening? Tired of people sneaking around and uh, being nosy uh, and accessing your and you want to not you want them not to access your private information? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to hide on unhide apps on iOS 18. Right? So go ahead to your settings first. Go to the general software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated so you can get this feature. Now, which you probably, after you updated your iOS, you probably got that feature, right? So you want to just navigate and select a few or one app that no one should access it other than you. So what you're gonna do, and select the app first. Let's say journal, right? So I'm gonna hold journal, and then under remove app you're gonna see require facial recognition or face ID, right? This app will require facial recognition every time you try to open it up, right? So the app content will not appear in notification previews or spotlight. So this is one of the perks also. If you try to hide or you know limit the access to this specific app, you might not get the notification. So let's have an example. I'm using Facebook, so I'm gonna hold Facebook, require face ID. If I hide it and ask for facial recognition, I won't be able to receive any notifications from this specific app, right? So I need to go and access it if I wanted to check for message or any new update. So if you want to just limit it only to facial recognition, meaning you're only the one who's anyone who can see that you have this private app, but no one would access it without your verification. Or you can hide it like permanently, right? And require facial recognition if they spot it. So just go ahead and require facial recognition, for example, for me. And now when I'm trying to open it up, as you can see, they verified my face. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to hide the app, just simply hold the app again, require face ID, and then hide, right? Hide the app. Now, if you want to unhide the app, scroll a little bit down, click hidden at the bottom right or the bottom left sometimes, and then hold the app, and then under delete app, click do not require facial recognition, and the app will disappear to your app lab. Yeah, the app will disappear to your app library. So catch you in the next time.